Hi guys, it's Ella. So I posted that last video about things that I've learned about myself recently. अभी अभी मेरा breakup हुआ and all these things are happening in my life और उससे मुझे क्या समझ आया. Then I got this comment. It's a good thing to have regrets. If you don't have regrets in your life, that means you're never going to be able to grow as a person. खुद ही लाइक इमेजिन करो तुम्हारी लाइफ में कोई ऐसा इंसान जो कभी मानता ही ना हो कि उसने कुछ गलत किया है, या उसको लगे कि उसकी गलती किसी सिचुएशन में हो ही नहीं सकती, सब उसके साथ गलत करते हैं, या ही हैज़ रियली बैड लक एंड दिस एंड दैट, बट उस इंसान ने कभी भी एक बार ये नहीं सोचा कि मैं ये अलग कर सकती थी, या मैं वो अलग कर सकता था, या फिर मुझे वहाँ नहीं जाना चाहिए था, मुझे उससे बात नहीं करनी चाहिए थी, मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए था. People who never have regrets are also people that never grow. No regrets means no renewal in life, no growth, no prospering. Because when you regret something, that is your body's way of telling you that don't do it again. If you don't have regret about something, you're going to do the same thing over and over again. Of course, your body is trying to help you. जब तुम कुछ गलत करोगे, your body is going to make you feel negative emotions, whether that's गुस्सा दिला के, regret, sadness, whatever it is. Negative emotions are there to protect you. Now, having regrets अच्छा है, हर किसी को होनी चाहिए लाइफ में, बट लिविंग विद देम एंड नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग अबाउट देम, सिर्फ सोचते रहना कि शिट यार वो हाथ से चला गया, या फिर शिट यार वो नहीं किया, शिट यार थोड़ा और घूम लेते, या थोड़ा और खा लेते शादी से घर आने से पहले. ऑल ऑफ दिस रिग्रेट्स आर फाइन, बट टर्न देम इनटू लेसन्स. तुम्हें क्यों रिग्रेट है? वॉट डिड यू नॉट लेट योर सेल्फ डू, या वॉट डिड यू डू दैट यू रिग्रेट दैट यू विल नॉट बी डूइंग अगेन इन योर लाइफ? लाइक आई टेल यू माई ओन पर्सनल रिग्रेट्स. वन ऑफ माई बिगेस्ट रिग्रेट्स इज मैंने जल्दी ट्रांजिशन नहीं किया. आई डेंट चेंज माई जेंडर अर्ली इनफ. एंड वाई डिड आई नॉट डू दैट? आई डेंट डू दैट बिकॉज मेरे को लोगों से डर लगता था. मुझे मेरे पेरेंट्स को सच बताने में डर लगता था. मुझे डर लगता था मेरे स्कूल के बच्चे मेरे पे हंसेंगे. मुझे लगता था मेरी फैमिली मुझे कट ऑफ कर देगी. मुझे लगेगा कि मेरे पास कोई सर्कल नहीं बचेगा. मुझे लगेगा मैं अकेली रह जाऊँगी. सो बेसिकली सोसाइटी के डर से मैंने अपनी बिगेस्ट विश को साइड पे रख दिया. एंड दैट्स माई बिगेस्ट रिग्रेट. आई विश आई स्टार्टेड अर्लियर देन आई डिड. आई विश आई लेट माई सेल्फ बी हैप्पी एंड ऑथेंटिक जिस टाइम पे मैंने किया उससे पहले. बट वॉट डिड आई लर्न? दैट रिग्रेट टॉट मी दैट लोगों के बारे में सोचकर अपना मन मारूंगी तो मुझे आगे जाके और रिग्रेट्स होंगी. सो दिस रिग्रेट टर्न इनटू अ लेसन दैट आगे जाके समाज क्या कहेगा, लोग क्या कहेगा, ये सारी बातें सोच के अपना मन में नहीं मारूंगी. दैट रिग्रेट टर्न इनटू अ लेसन. I got into a relationship where it was one of my first relationships. I didn't know what communication was. I didn't know what boundaries was. तो मेरे को पता ही नहीं था कि you can ask your partner to do things for you. कि like, hey, can you plan a date for me? Hey, can you buy gifts for me? Hey, can you give me more compliments? Like, you can ask people for things and then they do it to you. और मैं क्या करती थी, मैं मन ही मन में एक्सपेक्ट करती रहती थी बैठे बैठे कि सामने वाला मेरा मन पढ़ के मुझे खुश करे. And then वो मुझे नहीं करता था, and then I would get angry. And then that relationship ended. And it was sad. I liked a guy and I lost him because मैं अपने मन की बात बोलती नहीं थी. That's sad. I have that regret. I probably will, always. But what did that teach me? It taught me कि आगे जाके मुझे अपनी मन की बात बोलनी चाहिए. अगर आपको सामने वाले से कुछ चाहिए, it doesn't have to just be boyfriends. अगर आपके friends हैं, your friends always joke about you or poke fun at you, और अब तुम्हें लग रहा है कि यार ये हंसी मजाक में थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही हो रहा है और मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता ये जो मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं मेरा. Tell them. Because if you don't tell them, they will continue to do the things that hurt you and you will feel bad about yourself because you're not in control of your life. That regret of losing someone I love because I wasn't communicating taught me to communicate in the future. I was also recently, I came very close to having my surgery that I wanted literally my whole life. But वो surgery नहीं हो पाई. क्यों? Because I gained weight. I was going through a rough patch in my life और मैं emotional eating कर रही थी. There was a time where रात को 2 बजे every day I ordered KFC for I think 3 months and I gained a lot of weight. And what did that do? It made my surgery get postponed, and that's a big regret in my life. I wanted that surgery and I didn't get to have it, and I have that regret now. But what did that teach me? It taught me that I need to have more discipline. I need to keep working on myself. चाहे मेरा दिन अच्छा गया हो या बुरा गया हो, I have to eat whatever is good for me. I have to exercise and do things that are healthy for my body ताकि मैं उस weight पे पहुंच पाऊँ जिस पे मेरी surgery हो पाएगी. My mood cannot control my actions. That's what that taught me. अगर तुम्हारी लाइफ में रिग्रेट्स नहीं होंगे, you're always going to be happy, you're always going to feel good about life. But that's only a sign of कि आपने अपनी लाइफ में कुछ किया ही नहीं. Because everybody knows that a lot of good things in life come जब आप मुश्किल रास्ता चुनते हो. जैसे मेरे लिए था, मेरे पेरेंट्स से बहुत मुश्किल कॉन्वर्सेशन करना, उन्हें बताना कि एक्चुअली मैं ट्रांसजेंडर हूँ. That's scary. If I didn't do that, मुझे वो negative emotion feel नहीं होता. But also, I faced that negative emotion of fear, shame and anxiety और मैंने मेरे parents से बात करी and now I'm able to live my life how I want to. If you aren't having any negative emotions in your life, then you aren't taking any big decisions, difficult decisions, you aren't prioritizing yourself. You are basically in this one place because when you're in one place, there's no risk. If you don't do different things, you will not feel different emotions. So if you're feeling only one kind of emotion, which is positive or happy or satisfied, that means कि ना तुम ऊपर जा रहे हो ना तुम नीचे जा रहे हो. And who wants to live like that? Life is such a beautiful gift. Do as many things as you can, make as many mistakes as you can, have as many regrets as you can, and turn them into lessons. And in all honesty, I think having regrets is one of the biggest signs that you love yourself. If you are critical about yourself, अगर आप अपने आप को बोल सकते हो कि yes, मैंने गलती करी, that was wrong, or I could have done that better, or I could have done more of that, or less of that, or I could have reacted this way, that way, that means you love yourself because you're critical of yourself. Think of it this way. Think of your most pure relationship. For me, for example, that's my mom. You know, I know for a fact that she loves me in a way that nobody is going to ever love me in my entire life, and she always has my best interest. वो हमेशा मेरे लिए अच्छा चाहती हैं. But is she critical at times? Is she sometimes gonna come into my room and be like, Ella तू क्या कर रही है? Stop doing that. Do that now. Ella तूने इतने टाइम से अपना रूम साफ नहीं किया है, कर ले. Like my mom is obviously going to ask me to do things differently if they're better for me, right? That doesn't mean my mother hates me. Obviously, like she shouldn't be rude, she shouldn't be disrespectful, but people that love you truly are critical of you because they want you to grow. And when you are critical of yourself, that means you love yourself. That means you want more for yourself. That means you want yourself to do better than what you did last time. And if that's not self love, I don't know what is. And if you're like me and you're struggling to forgive yourself, because I also struggled to, forgive myself for the longest time in my life. I had so many regrets and I didn't know what to do with them. So put it in like on another person. अगर कोई इंसान ने आपके साथ, they're mad at you or they're critical of you or whatever they've done to you, and then they say sorry. When will you forgive that person? When you will see that they have tried to fix their mistake, उन्होंने अपने behavior में changes करे, अपने actions में changes करे, and whatever mistake they did, they learned from it and now they don't do it again. That's when you can forgive that person, right? So basically, if you want to forgive yourself, you have to let yourself trust yourself. And how are you going to do that? Let's say I have a regret that, oh no, I ate unhealthy, मैंने binge emotional eating करी, and now I gained weight and I really regret it. How am I going to forgive myself? By not doing it again. By saying, that was wrong, मुझे वो नहीं करना चाहिए था, that was unhealthy, and now I'm not going to do it again, and sincerely work on that. When you sincerely work on making betterments in your life, you will immediately forgive yourself. Whatever regret you have, turn it into a lesson and apply that lesson into your life and into your actions and into everything that you do. And when you see those positive results that come from what that regret taught you, you will forgive yourself. So that's basically what I wanted to end this video on, because I feel like sometimes we feel sad and then हम उदास हैं ये सोच के हम और उदास हो जाते हैं. Sometimes we have regrets and then we regret having regrets, and we don't have to do that. Every negative emotion is working in your favor. तुम्हारी बॉडी ने तुम्हें कुछ नेगेटिव फील करवाया है because there is something that you need to do and you can do differently और better तरीके से कर सकते हो. And your body is telling you that if you don't reach your full potential, मैं तुम्हें रुलाऊंगी. If you don't reach your full potential, मैं तुम्हें गुस्सा दिलाऊंगी. And then until you change your ways and you do better, your body will give you negative emotions. They are your superpower. Learn how to transform them into lessons that help you grow as a person. And of course, talking to people really helps. If you have a circle around you, for example, I talk to my mom a lot. I talk to, my cousins because we're all close in age, my sister, my friends. I have a really good support system, and always talking about your regrets is really good and really natural. I think stop trying to hide it. I feel like the more you resist the fact that you made mistakes or you made bad choices, the more control they have over you. जो हुआ, एक्सेप्ट तुमने कितना गलत किया, तुम्हारे साथ कितना गलत हुआ, और आगे से तुम क्या करोगे या नहीं करोगे. And then that immediately gives you the power. Now the regret doesn't control you, you control the regret. Not everyone has, an easily accessible support system like I do, like friends and family. For those people, I would suggest, if you can afford it, therapy. Therapy is great. Therapy is amazing. But if therapy is out of, your budget, try to read books, self-help books. Just look up books that help you. Like Google ki what books help with getting over regret. There will be a list. Buy those books, read them, rent them, sit in a library. Comment on this video what your problems are, and I'll try to talk about them from what I know so far. But talk about it. Talking about things only makes it better. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And again, having regrets means you're about to grow and level up. Just learn to turn them into lessons. Take care.